make it. Guy, this time no be time for rest. I be dey forget take a level dey pursue us. Stand up, make we dey go. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Oh yeah, let's go, 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 go.
Behold me, Ogbaefe. But why you can't be say, no let me contact that food? We be plenty when go run show. No let me contact the food. What did they happen? I not trust Black Eyes at all. Because me no say no only know the secret of that spiritual pot. And only get key to offer anybody spiritual protection. That guy off my spiritual protection. But I no offend them now.
You see this challenge where they challenge me all the time. No worry, one day I go off your street lights.
Naim. But me go tell am say na me be Ogbaefe.
Why e be say Ogbaefe contact? Why e be say Ogbaefe contact after all the fortification when I give them? Ogbaefe not suppose contact. He not suppose. Something is wrong somewhere and I need to find out.
See, wait to. Why you can't be say now only Ogbaefe can contact?
I believe so. You don't go do what this spiritual power they forbid. Now make the power live on. They hear me?
See, make I clear you. I don't believe that when they know. Also when the party they talk. See, what you to say now you do when spiritual power they forbid. See, you got to use your tongue to count your teeth. See, if you don't take that, they're gonna put that for your body water anyhow.
Why they cap so to vote? Makatukuna got the one there. You can take time or another parasta the vote. Shall no issue.
But not still forget say, na me be the Otondo one.
Na me be Calapilla, aka 101 day game. The female.
See, I dey live for this area. You don't hear me? I dey live you because I don't hear anything they come. I dey live you.
No one. Snowman, give me lighter.
Snowman, I need to. Ogbaefe, wetin dey sup?
The only thing wey carry me come here, me I come ask you one or two questions. We may anywhere go run package, go run show. But how come it be say food when everybody rejects, na me come chop am?
As I dey here so, I dey very confused. Me I don consult the spiritual pot and the spiritual pot still dey silent.
You know say, wetin elderly man open eye do, they not suppose ask am.
Why you they cap like that now?
See, if I hear your voice again, if I hear pim from your mouth again, you go collect. You dey craze? They dey talk better thing, you go come here dey put your mouth. See, boss, as we dey here, me and you know say na you off my PRT.
No, nah. Boss no fit do that kind of thing. I believe my boss.
I dey hate to dey talk one thing two times. I be like radio, I no dey like repeat something. I no know why you no dey hear word.
Why you knock me iron now? I go knock this man iron.
Mr. See where you no ever try this nonsense again. I go still consult the spiritual pot. Make I find out why your power leave you.
That one no concern me. Fuck you, fuck your spiritual pot, fuck everything about you.
Snama, you don't go consult the spiritual part again?
Yes, but still silent.
Cinnamon, just dey tell us truth when we suppose hear. Say na you off the pot, now you say you wan go consult any other thing.
Step back from that campaign, you dey Jones. Abi una dey forget? Una dey forget the rules and regulations wey dey guide the spiritual pot? Una dey forget? You lap me, go dey caption to fool. Forget say anybody wey carry akpo for mind or wey go loot virgin, na power dey leave am. Una dey forget abi?
Cinnamon, but you and I know say that our brother Ogbaefe no fit do that kind thing na. When be say he know the rules and regulations when they guide that spiritual pot, he no fit do am. Cinnamon, just tell us say na you offer.
Ta! Otondo, why you dey cap like this now? No repeat that words again or else I go put that for your body woto.
See, I tell you, Cinnamon, na you offer. Cinnamon, tell us. So, you dey point that thing on me. You don't forget why I be saying na me be Otondo. Cinnamon, I don't tell her.
We don't hear you now. Snowman. One time we make our song this man in blood now.
Come on, muna come there. Oh yeah, muna step back from here.
Ogbaefe na agba.
Otondo,
Ogbaefe.
wetin dey sup?
Ogbaefe na agba.
Otondo, where you for dey come out? Wetin dey sup?
Area no clear.
Who dey put body now?
I go cap that bastard child wey dey call Black Eyes.
Wetin come sup again?
Imagine, say pillar open shot for my body.
You dey craze?
Forget say I forget say na me be Otondo.
Put something for your body.
Ah.
It dey sup. It dey sup, sir.
Something dey sup this area and I want make we do am woto to them. Yes.
This thing don pass play. See me, I go tell them say na me be Ogbaefe.
My brother, I dey tell you for this matter, we go put am for their body woto.
Anything wey I see na dey babu.
You die now.
Stop there.
Otondo, why you dey point me color?
Come on, keep quiet.
They don play me your tape for this area. I dey hear say you dey do anyhow for this deck. You wen no reach anything.
Why you dey point me color?
See, let me tell you. See no see, tell no tell. The eyes that see today may not see tomorrow. Let me tell you. Sure you dey get me. Na me be Otondo. No.
For your mind.
Stop there.
Snama. Otondo and Ogbaefe. Put up my body woto. Oh, Snama.
So Tondo and Ogbaefe get mine. Put am for your body woto. Johnson. Aboy Johnson. So now you no fit knack person short.
Track me for road. Otondo. They call they follow me, they do. I wish I not rock there. They for throw me OVB, Snoma.
Aboy Johnson. They say woe to those who show that royalty to his fellow brothers. Otondo and Ogbaefe, they don't price and I go put them for their body woto. Their mind go desumetunde.
I tell you, Snoma.
They are boy laugh.